2015 Hyundai Sonata with the 2.4 inline 4-cylinder. And today we're going to be replacing the halogen headlight bulb. Now I've already pulled this bulb. You can see right in here, the connector is right here. And what you need to do to access these, you're going to have your little access door right here. So when you first open the hood, you're going to see it just like this. Grab it, turn in a counterclockwise direction, and pop the cover off. Once inside, you'll need to press your finger down onto this lever right here, and that'll disconnect it from the light bulb, and then turn the light bulb in the same counterclockwise positioning, and you'll be able to pull it out. Here we have our new light bulb, just came in. It is a 9005. Be sure that when handling your light bulb, you do not touch any of the glass pieces. The oil on your fingers, any natural oils of any kind, can severely reduce the life expectancy of the bulb. Go ahead, put that bulb into the socket, and then rotate it until you feel it go all the way in, and then rotate in a clockwise rotation to have it seat. Okay, we take our connector and finagle it down there. And you'll hear it click in. Go ahead and reinstall your protective cover. Now you see our low beam headlight is working as it's supposed to. If this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.